back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, I have multiple business grant opportunities for you that go up to $25,000. So watch this entire video so that you're able to see which business grant opportunity is going to be best for your business to apply for. Also, I am doing a flash sale on the business grant course that comes with over 80 done for you business grant opportunities that I researched myself. I'm actually getting ready to add at least 20 more. I have a big database of grant opportunities, and I also have a lot of different websites that I teach you about in this course where you can go out and find all types of business grant opportunities to apply for your business. We give you a bonus grant proposal template, and I also show you how to fill that template out, which makes it a lot easier for you to win business grants because you look professional and you're going to be more appealing to the organizations that are giving out these grants by having that professional business grant proposal. So the link is going to be down in the description box below. All right, so the first business grant opportunity is going to be the 2023 Small Business Growth Fund. This is round one. The deadline is April 21st, 2023 at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is a partnership with the Global Entrepreneurship Network, as well as Etsy, Progressive, and Hello Alice. They're giving business owners between $5,000 and $25,000 in grants to help accelerate their growth. Be eligible, a business must have less than $1 million in annual revenue, a commitment to their customers and community, and a clear plan to use those grant funds. So that's where that business grant proposal, like I just said, that's gonna come in, and that's gonna really help you if you get that grant course to where you can be able to win grants at a higher rate. So the application is on Hello Alice. You can also check out the FAQs here. So as far as when you'll hear back after you do the application, they're gonna do 3 rounds this year. So the application for this just opened up yesterday. The second round is gonna be in June, and then the third round is going to be in September. So you'll have multiple opportunities to apply for this grant if you do not win the grant the first time. So they'll email you in about 60 days after your round deadline. So 60 days from April 21st for the first round, for example. So how are the recipients selected? So it says here that your applications are going to be evaluated based on clarity and feasibility of plan for purpose or proposed use of funds. So that's gonna be about 30%, and then demonstrated needs for funds to achieve a business goal or a milestone about 40%, and then demonstrated commitment to community is gonna be about 30%. Also, if you own multiple companies, you're only eligible to apply for 1 grant per individual and per company. But if you do have 2 businesses or multiple businesses and you have partners, one of the partners can possibly apply for the grant for another one of your companies. Now, when it comes to nonprofits and sole props, so nonprofits are not eligible for this particular program, but we do have other grant opportunities I'll talk to you about. And then sole props, you can apply for this one. So you're eligible to apply for this one. All right, so the next grant opportunity is for $20,000. So BGE is the organization that is giving out these grants. This is for small businesses in the Maryland area. And you have to be in BGE's service area to apply for the BGE Energizing Small Business Grant. So in order to apply for this one, you need to have between 1 and 25 employees and less than $7 million in annual revenue, and a demonstrated need for support with a strong plan for moving forward. And you need to either be in good standing with the state of Maryland as far as your business registration, or be on the way to good standing in the state of Maryland. So here's more information about the terms and conditions for this particular business grant opportunity. The deadline is March 24th. The review period is between March 27th through May 19th. And then they will announce who is going to receive the funds in June of 2023. And they're also going to have a round 2 starting in July. Also, in order to apply, you will need to be the leading officer of the business. So you have to be the founder, the president, CEO, CFO, COO, or any such other similar title. Of course, you have to be a legal resident of the United States, over 18. Also, you have to be a for-profit business founded in 2021 or prior. Also, an existing BGE electric and or gas customer in good standing with BGE. And then the rest we've already pretty much talked about. So that's it for the BGE Small Business Grant Opportunity. This is also going to be hosted on Hello Alice. So you'll just create your account as always if you already have one. And then you will click on apply now. And then this is the application. This particular application is about 51 questions long. So they're usually between 45 and 50 questions. So be ready to have all of your information ready before you apply, because you can't save. Well, actually you can save, but it's best to just do it all in one setting so you don't forget about it. All right, so the third business grant opportunity is the Sonoma County Alliance Small Business Opportunity Fund. For this year, the deadline is going to be April 21st, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The Sonoma County Alliance is a coalition of business, agricultural, labor, and individuals organized to encourage a healthy economy, to maintain a sound environment, to protect private property rights, and to promote a responsive political process. So they're giving between $1,000 and $5,000 grants to local businesses looking to receive capital. You'll also get a year membership to the SCA for free and access to a network of community leaders and resources, as well as have an opportunity to present at an upcoming SCA membership meeting to share about your business. So this is the main link. This is the main organization website, Sonoma County Alliance. And so Sonoma County is located in California. So if you are in that county, this is a business grant opportunity that you can apply for. The last opportunity is the Catalyst Fund. This particular grant opportunity does close on March 31st, 2023 at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. They're in partnership with the Global Entrepreneurship Network and Hello Alice, as well as MasterCard, to award $175,000 in grants to Black entrepreneurs to help them succeed. So that's the total amount that they have. So they're going to be splitting this up between several different business owners. You have to be a for-profit business with at least 51% of the business owned by a Black identifying entrepreneur based in Atlanta, Birmingham, Dayton, Los Angeles, New Orleans, New York City, St. Louis, and or Washington, D.C. Here's a little bit more information about this particular opportunity. So the review period is going to be from April 3rd to April 14th, 2023. The announcement is going to be made in May of 2023. Eligibility, of course, you need to be the owner of the company, or you could be a CEO, CFO, COO, VP, or president, or anything that is of a leading executive title. Also, of course, you have to have your residency, citizenship in the United States, and you have to be over 18. It has to be a for-profit business in the cities that I mentioned a few seconds ago. And also, you will need to have a clear plan for how you're going to use the funds. Of course, like all of the other grant opportunities, you need to make sure that you have a clear plan for why you need the funds and what you're going to use the funds on. So that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos, and also comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.